See, Jubilant is a Indian multinational group. We are very diversified. Jubilant is a leading CRAMS company in India. We are also fully integrated pharmaceutical company. Jubilant also has interests in retail, food retail. Jubilant is the master franchisee for Domino's Pizzas in India, so it's a very popular brand. Jubilant also is into retail, which is, we own a couple of brands in Bangalore, Monday to Sunday, and Total. Jubilant also is into oil and gas. We also run a few hospitals by the name of Jubilant First Trust Healthcare, and Jubilant also is part of the drug discovery and development services. See, Jubilant does a lot of contract manufacturing out of our North American operations. We have three landscapes in North America where we do contract manufacturing, drug manufacturing for top pharma companies in the world. We have been using SAP in our Canada entity, company by the name Draxis Pharmaceuticals. So SAP has been part of our ERP landscape. We have embarked on a mission to create a global single instance center of excellence on SAP, by which CMO operations, which is the contract manufacturing operations, we will roll out a single template across all the three footprints that we have in North America. Once we, on our roadmap, the next thing that we have put is we have specialty pharmaceuticals. We are also producing radiopharma and allergy products. Again, in North America, we're going to be rolling out SAP to those entities also. And then there is a plan to roll out SAP for our generics bulk drug business, which is a plant in US, and there is a US FDA approved plant in Roorkee in India. So that's part of our first phase of the roadmap. Going forward, roadmap phase 2 is where we bring all our India manufacturing on SAP. We currently use an ERP platform, but we intend to migrate to SAP in about year, 2 years' time. See, Jubilant as a group has grown inorganically. So with acquisitions, we have inherited ERP platforms. So we use many ERP platforms. I mean, one company that we acquired in 2008, it came with Mapix, which is a very old ERP platform, very functional, highly customized to the need of that company. We chose SAP. We selected SAP through a very rigorous process where we compiled our understanding of what the other ERPs have to offer, both in terms of their feature set, their support, post-implementation, ease of implementation, of course, cost of implementation and things like that. On many parameters, SAP is a preferred choice. We are going ahead with an implementation partner. We will be we are working with a tier 1 implementation partner. It will not be prudent to say the name, but it's a tier 1 SAP worldwide partner. And we leverage their implementation skills for that industry. Because not everybody has done, let's say, implementation cycles for pharma industry. Because pharma is very, very regulated. Pharma is very, very specific. You need to have processes which are US FDA, CFR Part 11 approved. Not everybody has done it. There are, so it's very niche, very specific. It will be a mix of Jubilant internal team, because Jubilant internal team only is the team that knows the functional knowledge of the process. The business process is not known to the partner. So it's going to be a very healthy mix of the Jubilant employees as well as the partner employees. What we also intend to do is, as part of the rollout, we intend to create a SAP Center of Excellence in India. This is leveraging the shared services concept, where the support for SAP, even during implementation and post-implementation for, ABAP, BASIS, those kind of technical skills, we are going to be supporting it from India for the rest of the globe for Jubilant requirements only, and we are going to create that shared service center in India. We are not rolling out everything at one go. We have phased our implementation approach, and each phase will represent a industry specific. So currently we are focusing on, as I said, North America, which is pharmaceuticals. So pharmaceutical right now is what we are focusing on. So the partner that we have picked up is somebody who's done it, who's been there, who's done it a few times successfully, and we are very keen to finish that implementation successfully with that partner. When we move to phase 2, which is another industry within Jubilant World, and of course this partner, having known Jubilant, would have an edge, when we start the discussion about phase 2 implementation, and it automatically will go to a person who not only knows Jubilant but also has demonstrated success in that particular industry vertical.